Hey guys! So today we are going to be solving another word problem. This word problem type is similar to the ones that we've been solving this week and a little bit last week. So the question for today, I'm going to post it on the screen. I want you to read along with me. And this one I want you to try to solve on your own before I give you the answer. So I'm going to go ahead and read the question to you. The question is, Miss Erica has 10 markers. 7 of them work. The rest are out of ink. How many markers are out of ink? So I want you to pause the video while the question is on the screen, and I want you to work that question out. So I'm going to put it up on the screen again, and while it's on the screen, I want you to pause the video, solve it, and then I want you to come back and check your answer. So I'm going to post it on the screen again. I'm going to read it to you, okay? Miss Erica has 10 markers. 7 of them work. The rest are out of ink. How many markers are out of ink? All right, are you ready to solve this problem? Let's do it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to circle our numbers. 10 and 7. And we don't have any trick numbers in this question. There's only 2 numbers. But we don't know if we're adding or subtracting just yet. So we have 10 and 7. Okay? So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to underline our question. So remember, our question starts at our question mark and goes all the way to our question word, which is how. How is our question word? Okay. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a picture of what is happening in this story so that we can get a better idea of what we need to do in order to solve it. It says that Miss Erica has 10 markers. How many markers do I have? Excellent. I have 10. So I'm going to draw 10 markers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to put 10 down here because I don't have enough room. All right, so I have 10 markers. Now, it gave me some information, but let's look at our question. How many markers are out of ink? I can't tell how many markers are out of ink. What it does tell me is that 7 of them work or have ink. So I know that 7 of these work or have ink, and the rest of them are out of ink. And I need to figure out what the rest of them, or the ones that are out of ink, are. So I know that 7 of them work. So you know what? I'm going to draw, my favorite color is purple. I'm going to draw a purple smiley face in all the ones that work. So this marker works. This marker works. This marker works. This marker works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I have 7 markers that work because they make Miss Erica happy. Markers that work make Miss Erica happy. So I have 7 that work. Now it told us that the rest are out of ink. That means that the rest of these do not work and they are out of ink. How many markers are out of ink? Well, it would just be the ones that are left, right? Oh, I just gave you a hint. It's the ones that are left. Because we had 10, we're taking out 7 because we know that those 7 have ink. So we're trying to see how many are left. So this is a subtraction problem. 10 is how many I had total. And then we're pulling out 7 and we're seeing how many we have left. And how many markers do we have left that are out of ink? 1, 2, 3. 3 markers are left and are out of ink. Now, I think I did it again. I think I told you guys how to write this as a whole sentence, but we're going to go ahead and write it as a whole sentence. I'm going to put it right underneath this picture. Okay, so I'm going to answer this question with a whole sentence because 3 is not a whole sentence. It's just a number. How many markers are out of ink? What was my answer? Good, my answer was 3. So I'm going to go ahead and write that word, 3. T-H-R-E-E. Put a capital T because it's the beginning of a sentence. But this is the number, or this is how the word for the number 3. 3 what? What were we counting? Good job, we were counting markers. So I can go back to my question to help me write the word markers. 3 markers. 3 markers. What about those 3 markers? What were we looking for? 3 markers. Oh, we were looking for the ones that are out of ink. So 3 markers are out of ink. And at the end of the sentence, we're either going to put a period, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. I'm fairly sure it's a period because this is not a question. And I'm not really that excited about it, so it has to be a period. Because this is a telling sentence. It is telling the answer to this question. So it gets a period. Excellent job solving that word problem, guys. I'm so proud of you that you have grown and that you are working on solving these word problems. What I want you to do now, remember I have a problem already up for next week, and we're going to solve that one next week on Thursday, I think. Yes, next week, Thursday, we'll solve that one. But the question that I have posted for you to answer next week is, Miss Erica had 13 rhinestones. 8 of them were gold, and the rest were blue. How many rhinestones were blue? So, go ahead and go onto Google Classroom. Try to solve that problem. If you can, perfect. If you can't, we will work on it, okay? Remember, you don't have to get the problem right. You just need to try. All right, guys. Make sure that you wash your hands, listen to your parents, and I will catch you all next time. Bye!